Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe I will be making the mouth-watering traditional dumplings with oxtail. I will be adding in fresh oxtail into the pressure cooker. Then I'm going to go in with fresh water. Then I'm going to cover it. Boil. Now I am going to check how everything is going. Oxtail is not easy to be cooked. You need to cook it so many times. There I'm going to season with my spices, salt. Then I'm gonna add in my seasonal cube, that's for chicken. I'm going to go in with the peri-peri aromat. Here I am trying to make the stock that I'm going to use as I'll be cooking in my dumplings. Then add in my salt over there. I'm going to stir in my ingredients all together, mix. Then I'm going to cover as I'm done stirring. There is the dough that I made earlier on. I am now going to make in my dough bread, making it ready to be added with the oxtail. Now I am going to make in my bread over there. That's how I do it. I'm going to make it in portions like that. And now I'm going to finish making all my bread, making it ready to be added with my oxtail. I'm going to finish all that bread in the bowl. Everyone is going to love this recipe. It is so delicious. Oxtail with dumplings, you can never ever go wrong. This meal is suitable, good for winter times. So delicious and wow. Adding in my first batch of the bread. I am going to lay the bread on top of the oxtail meat. Then I am going to cover it with the lid and leave it to cook. Now after 10 to 15 minutes I am going to open in the lid and look how it looks. it is ready, about to be ready. There is the bread that I need to add into the oxtail. That is the last batch, and I'll be ready. Dumplings are so delicious. Look how it turns out. Beautiful, yummy. Now I'm going to take out this batch and add another one. Everyone at home is always enjoying dumplings with oxtail all the time. You can always cook your oxtail aside, or you can cook your dumplings with stew or lamb or beef. So yummy. So many ways to make your dumplings. Now the dumplings are so ready and saving.